YouTube, welcome yet to another video. So guys, today I want to give you a small replay, or I want to give you an update about this road, the constructed Sabala Najana Kumbi Road. But we are going to branch off from somewhere, and I'll be showing you that road that's going to Ndejje. A lot of viewers have been asking for this road, so today I want to show you how it looks like. So come with me and let's go. So this is the Busabala section. We are approaching the flyover. This is the flyover section. So that side you're heading to Munyonyo. This side you're heading to Chigo. That's how currently it looks like. Construction has resumed. The Chinese are back. So all these houses are to be broken down. So they're coming back to pay people phase 2. So they've been paying people in phases. So they paid the first phase, they broke down the houses. So they're coming back for the second phase. The road is expanding. There will be a huge flyover with a tunnel out down, heading to Chigo. So people coming from town, heading this side of Busabala, will be passing up on the flyover. Our works are going on smoothly. Construction everywhere. Businesses coming up. You have Total over there. Huge mall coming up. So this is called Kasambia Stage. So that's the national water offices here in Busabala, Ndejje. So all those people who have plots up there in Ndejje, these sides of Busabala, Chibiri, when you want to get your water meter, you come to those offices. I've showed you back there. The club over here. So even this section is not yet done. They're working on the road here. So this road goes to Ndejje. So these are the works going on. So the drainage is done. When the drainage is done, Tamaking is next. So this is the gravel they're pouring before they tarmac the road.
So Construction of this road in Ndejje, Lubugumu is being worked on by the Chinese.
The difference
lies in the work, the way they
follow rules and regulations. They have a lot of posters for safety. When you're coming all the way from that back side, so we are stuck. So this is a very busy road connecting Busabala to Ndejje. Likutamada. You have a lot of towns this side that are so active. It's the drainage. So drainage is done. So they're working on this side, over there, heading on. So we are going all the way to Entebbe Road. So when construction like this comes up, properties in the area go up. You understand? So if you want to go to Lubowa, you can use this road. Entebbe Road, you use this road. So they have binning services, that truck over there. They collect rubbish, just put it out your gate. You pay a monthly or weekly fee. So it's being worked on by the Chinese. Road is closed here. So the road is closed that side. So construction is taking place. The road was closed back there. So there's a shortcut around here. Let me hope this guy didn't lie to us. So construction is being done by the Chinese, not a Kenyan company. Drainage. This is all Ndejje. So roughly it's about 8 kilometers and 8 to 10 kilometers under construction. So when you're heading to Lubowa, you go that side. You go that side straight. This side you're heading to town, you're heading to Freedom City Mall, Entebbe Road. This section is already done, as you can see.
Other than you, there is no any manufacturing industry that does blood. With us, our
So that's the NSSF housing project, that side over there. I don't know if you can see it from here. That's Lubowa. That's why I told you this place is near Lubowa. Soccer pitch. Those ones they play even at night. You just pay a fee and you enter at night, even during day. So subscribe to the channel, put a comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. Mosque here for the locals. Sava house. So Ndejje is very big. We are still in Ndejje. The sun is out, borders everywhere. So borders are the easiest means of transport here in Kampala, Uganda. So if you're planning to come here, that's the easiest and cheapest means of transport. So convenient. You don't get stuck in traffic. These riders always find a way to get you to your final destination. oviiramu wano singa oyise mu luli abapiki balukozesa nnyo ndowooza wampi. So this place is so busy. During day, during night, it's always bustling with activity. This is like the main entrance of Ndejje. So a lot of people coming from town, they get off the taxi. Some taxis come this side and it's so packed with people. It's a town of its own. So now we are here on Entebbe Road, the old Entebbe Road. So these cars are coming from Entebbe side. So we are here at Freedom City, Entebbe Road. So guys, I wanted to give you a quick, I wanted to show you the progress of this road of Ndejje. So see you or catch you in the next episode. Bye bye. Asante sana.